Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's DIY video, I want to share with you guys how I created a wooden flower box with those Dollar Tree Jenga pieces. And what I like about this DIY is that I did add some embellishments to the front and some flower arrangements to decorate it for the Christmas holiday. But this wooden flower box will last me all year round, and I can easily change out the embellishments and the flowers to go with the season or the holidays that are going on throughout the year. So if you would like to see how I created this wooden flower box with these Jenga pieces from Dollar Tree, then stay tuned to this video. So this is how the Dollar Tree Jenga blocks look if you haven't seen them before, and you'll find them in the toy section at Dollar Tree. Now the one that I got had all the Jenga blocks that were light, but when you go over there, you will notice that some of them have some dark pieces and some light pieces. So I always look for the Jenga blocks that has the whole set with light pieces because they're easier to paint, and I was going to paint this white and I wanted it to be all one white flat color with the light pieces. So before you even start gluing, well, what I like to do is I like to lay out my blocks exactly how I want them so I know I have enough before I start gluing. Now this size took me about 6 boxes of Jenga pieces. I only used a whole set of 5, and I think about 2 or 3 that came out of the 6 box. But I always use the extra 6 box for other projects, and in case some of the blocks come a little chipped, you have extras. So if you want to make the size that I made, you're going to need 6 boxes of Jenga pieces. To glue the Jenga pieces together, I'm using that Elmer's wood glue that I found at Dollar Tree that I shared with you guys in my last Dollar Tree DIY. Also, you want to remember while you're gluing your pieces together, you want to keep moving them every once in a while and using a wet rag to wipe down your surface so that your wood pieces do not stick to the surface that you're gluing on. Once I was done gluing all my Jenga pieces together and the glue has completely dried, now I'm going to assemble the box. Now to create this box, I'm going to use the Dollar Tree adhesive glue that I love using, and also I'm going to be using my glue gun as well for some fast drying time. The paint that I'm using for this box is the craft paint that you could purchase at Walmart, and you can get the small bottles for 50 cents each. To create a bottom for this flower box, I'm just going to use some leftover white tag board that I had on hand from another DIY project that I created. But if you don't have any tag board on hand, you can also purchase it from Dollar Tree as well, because that's where I purchased this piece that I had, and as you can see, it's lasting me multiple projects. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit the flower box on top of the tag board, and I'm going to trace inside of the box the piece that I want, because I want my piece to sit inside snug in this flower box, as opposed to it just being at the bottom, and then you can see the bottom part of the tag board of this box when it's displayed. Now if you've cut your piece right, it should fit snug right into the box. And what I forgot to show you guys, well, what I forgot to record is after I pushed the tag board in and I made sure that it fit snugged on the bottom, I did hot glue some glue on the inside of the box to make sure that the tag board would stay attached to the box. To decorate this flower box for Christmas, I'm going to add this Mirror Believe sticker that I found at Dollar Tree a while back to the front of the flower box. To decorate inside of the box, I'm going to use some of these white LED candles that you can get at Dollar Tree and some of these beautiful Christmas picks that I found this year at Dollar Tree. And that is it for this DIY, you guys. I just love how this DIY came out, and I love the fact that I'll be able to use this wooden flower box all year round to go with any season or any holiday to decorate my home. And trust me guys, I have seen these wooden boxes in the stores and they go anywhere between $20 to $50, and I made mine for just around $6. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned because I have a lot more Dollar Tree DIYs coming up that have to do with Christmas and the home. So I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.